Hi guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my fresh ginger and garlic paste. Now normally in my videos you see me using frozen pieces, which I normally buy from supermarkets. Now that suits my lifestyle because it's so busy because I'm making videos every single week, but that does not mean I've never made ginger and garlic paste from scratch. Now I do, and I have, and I'll show you how I make that. So for that you're going to need approximately 250 grams of fresh garlic cloves, which I've peeled and washed. The same of ginger root, and I've just cut that into smaller pieces so it's more manageable in the blender. I've got oil here, and I've also got my chopper, my blender. I've got my half cup measurement here, which roughly equates to 120 ml, and I've got my glass jars which I've washed and dried thoroughly, and I'm going to be popping the paste into that once it's made and then popping that into the fridge. So let me show you how I make this. So I'm going to start by adding my garlic into the blender. And then I'm going to take my cup and just pour out half a cup into that. And just pop that in. Now the reason why we're adding oil into our paste is because it will preserve the shelf life. Now if you were to add water into this, the garlic cloves would actually change colour as well, because they would sort of like react with water. And also the shelf life is not too long on them. So adding oil into that and then blitzing it to a paste is good because we want to prolong the life. So just pop your lid back on again and blend this until you have a really nice smooth paste. And you can see that it's not a smooth paste at the moment, but what we're going to do is we're going to use a spatula and we're just going to take off all of that from the sides. And then we're going to add another cup of oil into this, and it does take a little bit oil because we want it to be as smooth as possible. So in with another cup, so that's 2 half cups that have gone in there. And then lid back on again and blitz. Perfect. So now you can see that all that garlic is nicely chopped up. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer this back into the bowl that it was in before. And I'm going to give the blender a rinse and then repeat the process with the ginger, and I'll show you once it's done. And the ginger paste is ready as well. So now that my garlic and ginger paste is ready, all I'm going to do is transfer it very carefully into my glass jars. Right, so once you've filled your jars up, all you need to do now is just pop the lids on like that. And you can pop these into the fridge and they'll last for anything up to 4 to 6 months. And what you could also do is, if you have a silicone ice tray like this, you could pop the mixture into the ice cube tray like this and pop cling film over it, freeze it. Once it's frozen, take them out and pop them into a Ziploc bag and use them as and when you need to. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Now, if you have, please do give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel also, and also press that bell button to be notified of any updates. Now, I'm going to be back again with another video very soon. Till then, take care now.